Hello everyone, I'm Higa-san and I'll be showing you 4 different HIIT exercises today for you to do at home. So HIIT is very effective but very easy as well. You don't need much time, you need about 4 minutes to 10 minutes and yeah, you don't need any machine, no equipment, no dumbbells. All you need is a flat ground like what I have here. I'll be doing the star jumps followed by high knees followed by mountain climbers, and we'll finish off with burpees. So we'll do 40 seconds of each exercise followed by 20 seconds of rest. So each exercise will take about 1 minute. So you complete one whole cycle, it'll be about 4 minutes. If you can do 2 sets, 3 sets, that's up to you. Make sure you push and yeah, let's burn off those calories we gained during quarantine. 皆さんこんにちは、ひがさんです。今日はねHIIT っていうトレーニング方法をみんなに紹介したいと思います。主に今日3つ紹介するんですが、スタージャンプスして次がハイニーズして次がマウンテンクライマーズして最後がバーピースになります。でこの4つなんだけど、1種目40秒ずっと続けて1つ終わったら20秒のレストでまた次の40秒で20秒のレストって言ってね、合計で4分ほどかかると思います。そしてそれを2セット3セットできる人はどんどんやっていってちょっとカロリーをね消費していきたいと思います。HIITとはねとても効果的ですぐカロリー消費とかできるんでね、ぜひおすすめです。もう器具とかマシンとかも使わないでいいんで、もうすぐこのような平らな地面があったらもういつでもできるっていう感じです。では早速やっていきたいと思います。はい、では1つ目の種目 First exercise will be star jumps. So we'll do 40 seconds of star jumps and let's get going. Make sure you jump high, open your arms, you can feel yourself burning those calories. Don't stop, keep going. A bit more, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, done. So that's 40 seconds. We have 20 seconds of rest. まあ1つ目の種目なんでね、ちょっとウォームアップ系みたいな感じでやってきたんですが、結構厳しいですね。じゃあ次、ハイニーズ。見えるかな？膝を上げてRaise those knees as high as you can. It's tough. Keep going. Almost there. 10 seconds. High as possible. And 3, 2, 1. Done. So I'll be doing mountain climbers next for about 40 seconds and I'll do 20 seconds break and I'll finish off with burpees. So now it's mountain climbers. So you have to make sure for mountain climbers your head, your back and your toes, it's one straight line, and don't move your butt up and down too much, okay? So let's get started. Make sure bring those knees up to your chest as much as you can. And don't move your butt up and down. In one straight line. Keep going halfway there. It's tough. I can feel it too, it's tough. But keep going. Don't stop. 5 seconds. So that was 40 seconds of mountain climbers. My core is dead. So next, last one, we'll be doing burpees. And this is the most intense, but I'll try. Burpees, 40 seconds, starting now. Oh shit. Jump as high as you can. You want to train your explosives as well. I'm heavy, difficult. And that's the 4 exercises for today. So to refresh your mind, for those of you who don't remember, first we started off with star jumps, this. Next we did high knees. そして3種目目が mountain climbers. You must make sure you look like you're climbing a mountain, not some hill, okay? A big mountain. Make sure your legs go all the way up as if you're climbing. そして最後にやったのが Burpees. きつかったね。わかるよ。めちゃくちゃきつかった。けどね、きついからね、カロリーが消費してるって自分でもわかるからね。本当に達成感もめちゃくちゃあるし、汗もこんな吹き出てるし、もうそうね、自粛中ね、ジムとかでウェイトとか上げられなくてね、寂しい方もいると思うんだけどね、みんなでね、こうやってヒットでね、ちょっと頑張ってやっていきましょう。So, how did you find the 4 exercises? You can do anytime, anywhere you like. So it's very convenient, very easy. So remember to subscribe and like my video. And if you want to get fit with Higa-san, keep watching. And I'll see you again.